This is going to be, this is going to be a hotel room tour of room 1832, the Wyndham Governor's Green in Williamsburg, Virginia. Love these RFID locks. Yep, just lets you in. As you can see, exterior corridor. I'm going to shut the door now. Here's your evacuation plan. Let me just turn on the light here. There you go. There's the evacuation plan. As you can see, we're just steps away from the elevator in this building. This is building 18, by the way. We're on the 3rd floor. Pause here if you want to read that. Anyways, let's get a tour of the room. Walking in, you have like your utility closet with commode plunger, broom, and carpet sweeper. In here, you got your closet style laundry room with the GE washer dryer combo. Now coming in here, you enter the kitchen, full kitchen, which has your over and under fridge freezer combo, cabinets. This has your dishes. Here's your coffee maker, toaster, oven, your stove. Here's your microwave. It's a GE. Okay. The sink. Your GE dishwasher. Now we will head on into this part, which, let's turn on the light. Where's the light? Here it is. This room is being used right now, so pardon the mess. But, look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. I'm not going in there because that's where my brothers are, and I do respect that. In here is our first bathroom. And what I like is that you have your own sink area separate from the bathroom. And when you come in here, you have another sink area. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hey. Your sink. And let's take a look. Here's the commode. It's a Mansfield. Guess we'll flush it. We'll flush the commode. Yep. Here's your shower. Here's your bathtub shower combo. I think these are Delta faucets. Okay, let's turn that off so we can save water. Here's another sink. Hey now, mirrors everywhere. Let's turn off the lights to save some energy. That's what I'm here for. Well, not really. In here, you have another closet with an ironing board. And coming in here, this is where I'm staying. You got your living room, with your chairs. There's another one. And here's the pull-out couch. Here's the couch. Yes, it is a pull-out. This is where This is where I'm sleeping. Now let's get a view out onto the balcony. Here's your... Wow, what a beautiful day in Williamsburg, Virginia. This is a beautiful resort, by the way. As you can see, we're on the 3rd floor. Look at this sunset. Wow, this is gorgeous. There's a lot of buildings here, so expect a lot of elevator videos here. But I'm leaving in 2 days, so I'm going to try and get all the videos. And look at that. Yes, there's some Canadian geese and ducks here. So yeah. I'll probably be getting an in-depth hotel tour later, though. Anyways, let's get one more view of the balcony. Very nice, as you can see. this door. Oh, come on. I have trouble closing this one. There we go. And you got your nice, here's what I love about a lot of hotels that we've stayed. You could have the option where you could kind of see out of the drapes, or you could pull the blackout drapes for any of those people who like to sleep in the day or just take a nap. Let's open that to get some nice light in. Let me just open them all the way. That way I could give you a good picture of this amazing view. Sorry for the shakes. This is what it would look like viewing it. Anyways, we're going to go into the master bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom condo, by the way. But I'm not going to go in one of the rooms because my brothers are gaming in there. Here's a oh, I forgot to show the other TV. Here's a very nice Samsung flat screen plasma TV. Very nice. And this too is same TV. So now let me just turn on the lights. There we go. Very nice, very spacious room. Nice king-size bed. Here's your standard hotel-style telephone. Look at this bed. Wow, this is very comfortable. Ceiling fan. Yes, pretty much every room here has them, which is nice. So I like to stay cool. And over here, you got your Timex alarm clock. Very nice. Here's your lamps. Here's your Gentex fire alarm, and fire sprinklers are all over this room. And here's the master bathroom part. Look in the mirror high. Here's your sink. And wait till you see this. Wow. Look at this awesome jacuzzi tub. Wow, this will be fun. You see, the thing is, you fill it up. With this particular one, if you press the button, it won't do anything. But if you gotta turn that, then press the button. Obviously, I would do it when it's full. That way I'm not burning out the motor. So what you would do to get this to work is first you would turn that, then press that button. Obviously, you should do it when it's full, not empty. But anyways, let's get back to the tour. Here's the bathroom part. Let's see if there's light. Here's your very nice, spacious walk-in shower. I think these are Delta faucets or Moen. This is kind of like the shower head at my house. So yeah. And you got another Mansfield commode here. I guess we'll flush it. And here's another sink area. Hi. So yeah. Let's get one more pan around the room. I gotta say, I got here last Sunday, and I'm leaving in 2 days, so I would highly recommend this place. Yeah, it's very nice. There's a lot to do at this resort too. So yeah, you could cook in here. Yeah, I highly recommend this place. Well, that concludes our room tour of room 1832 at the Wyndham Governor's Green Resort. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos on my channel. Bye. Have a good one, guys.